Hi guys, my name is Hemendra Analaki Magesoran from DAM 3B. Today I'm going to talk to you about a process, how to deal with errors that you may encounter when putting up your computer, and I'm aided by a flowchart on the screen here in front of me to help you to understand better the entire process. Now obviously for this we need a working computer that is attached to a power supply. Now the first step that we do is we press the computer's power button. After we press the computer's power button, we observe whether the computer turns on or not. Now I'm going to explain what will happen if it doesn't. If the computer doesn't turn on, first we check whether is the computer's power light on. The power light is the LED. Usually computers nowadays come with an LED that indicates that lights up when power is flowing into the system. Now if the power light is on, we turn on the computer monitor and we see if the problem is solved. If the problem is still not solved, we will have to call a technician to come and be able to detect what problems that are stopping it from booting up. If the problem is solved, then we can do what we want the computer, problem solved. If the computer power light is not on the other hand, we have to check whether the power cord is properly attached to the system. If after we attached it and the problem is solved, that means also we do what we want, everything is solved. But if still it doesn't boot up, that means same as the previous scenario, we will have to call a technician because they are people who are specially trained to troubleshoot computer errors. Now back to the first step, does the computer turn on? If the computer turn on, it's not all a smooth journey from there. Also we will have to check, are there any error messages? If there are error messages, we will have to perform a search for error messages to deal with the error and to try to repair the error so that it does not hinder us when we are using the computer for our works and tasks. If there is no error messages, that means the computer is fine and we can carry on with our task. In conclusion, this is a very simple process and flowchart that I hope can help many people today, because I see there are some people who struggle or get frustrated when their computer doesn't boot up. The best thing is to have a calm mind and try to deal with it calmly and rationally. Okay, that's all for me for now. Thank you very much for listening to me.